Chicken Parmesan Meatballs with DeCecco Farfalle and Mezzetta Marinara sauce. Chop 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of parsley, 8 cloves of garlic, and grate 1 8-ounce block of mozzarella cheese and 1 8-ounce block of Parmesan cheese. In a ramekin, mix in a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. In a small bowl, beat 2 eggs and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In a large bowl, add in 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 pound of ground Italian sausage, 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of chopped spinach, 1/2 cup of chopped parsley, and 8 cloves of chopped and minced garlic, and mix everything together thoroughly. Add in the 2 beaten eggs and olive oil and mix it into the meat. Add the ramekin of seasoning mix into the meat and mix everything together. Preheat the oven to 385 degrees. Place a sheet of parchment paper onto a baking sheet. Roll the meatballs into large golf ball sized meatballs and place them onto the parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 35 minutes. Saute 12 ounces of sliced white mushrooms with olive oil, salt, and pepper for 10 minutes. Add in a 28-ounce jar of Mezzetta marinara sauce and bring to a simmer. When the meatballs are finished in the oven, add them into the sauce. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook 1 box of DeCecco Farfalle pasta. Drain and plate the pasta, add the meatballs, top with the mushrooms and marinara sauce, and you're ready to serve. Chicken Parmesan Meatballs with DeCecco Farfalle and Mezzetta marinara sauce. It's going to be delicious. Until next time, bon appetit!